All right, guys, so I messed up the other day and hit the mailbox with the truck. My driveway is pretty narrow. I just poured those 2 cement things last week, and I had a wheelbarrow there so that nobody would drive on that concrete. So my son's girlfriend's truck was right here, and it was a very narrow fit, and I wound up scratching that metal mailbox here. So the scrape doesn't bother me too much, but the dent does. I don't know if you can see the dent. Yeah, I see the dent right there. So I've got this cheap little suction cup dent puller on Amazon. It was like 16 bucks. It came with 2 of these and then 1 larger one. I'm gonna try and attach this right here and pull that. Oh, wow. That was like, I didn't even, it just popped right out. I was just gesturing and it popped it out. I didn't even latch it like that, like you're supposed to. So, well, that dent is fixed. I'll see about getting that scratch repaired later, but at least the dent is out now. I'm actually pretty impressed with this, but what I'm not impressed with is how thin this metal is, because you could see how easily that dent came out, which means this aluminum is really thin metal. Not very happy about that, but at least there's no dent there anymore. All right, I hope this helped you guys. Take care.